it's Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with my very first Trunk Club unboxing. Now, I'm still learning, so learn along with me. I've never done it before. My impression of Trunk Club has always been that it's expensive. And the second is that in watching other people's videos, I never got the impression that the stylist for Trunk Club really had an idea of what people's personal style was. Things weren't dialed into their personal style. So I was a little apprehensive about doing it. I also didn't really like that they didn't have a kind of a buy 5 discount. What you get, you purchase what you want, and that's it. It's pretty straightforward, but I was intrigued, so I had to give it a try. So we're gonna do an unboxing today. So I think an unboxing with all this individually wrapped items is going to be a challenge. So how about I unwrap everything and then I'll try everything on like as outfits and we can talk about them. I'll be right back. Okay, here is the first outfit. It is a pink, light pink blazer. In the picture, I should have read the description. I thought it was camel colored, and I don't love pink. This is really cute. I also almost nixed it because it doesn't have lapels, but it's stylish to not have lapels, right? My daughter, I think, gave me a compliment. She saw my outfit and said, "I'm living," which I think that's good. So, okay. Also, this blazer has a really pretty pinstriped lining, and it's heavy. It feels cotton though. I thought it might be stretchy and light, but it's not. It's a heavy but cotton material, and it's lovely. And pink. Not sure it's me, but I do like it. Okay, this shirt is a staple in an outfit, or in a wardrobe, but guess what? I don't have one, and so I was really excited. Okay, this shirt is by Madewell, and it's $72, which may be a little bit spendy, but I think it is quite high quality, and I could really use it in my wardrobe. It's just a plain button-up men's shirt. So now is this skirt, which is the most adorable pencil skirt ever. And it's stretchy, which I love. It's a large. It might make me look like I got even more of a little pooch than normal, but you know, that's nothing Spanx can't help with. But it's really soft, good quality, and comfortable. It's a pretty stinking cute outfit. I'll go try on the next outfit and I'll be right back. Here is the next outfit. This shirt is just ivory white color. It's by Halogen. It's $59, and it's okay. It's kind of a crepey material, and I don't know if I'm very good at the tucking. It's definitely a shirt that needs to be tucked in, and I'll untuck it in a minute and show you that it doesn't lay quite right. It's very thin. And there's a little keyhole, but I wasn't able to button it because I'm by myself. And it's okay. The crepey material, it's lay flat to dry. It doesn't have to be dry clean only, but I don't know if I'm in love with it for $59. It's really versatile though. It would go with jeans. Great. Maybe I'll try it out with jeans and see if I love it more. Now this skirt, it was pretty spendy. I'll give you the price in just a second. It's black with white polka dots, and it's got this ruffle down the side, and it's rouged up. So I thought, oh, that's a little more snug than I thought it would be. I thought it would be kind of a flowy skirt, but it's not. It's stretchy and kind of pencily, and when you walk, it kind of does a little ruffle action, which is fun. I don't know what I would wear it to though, because it's polka dot, so it's whimsical. It's pencil, so it's sexy. It's got the ruffle that's whimsical. it's stretchy and fitted sexy, it's kind of a strange skirt to me. I'm not sure, like it's not wedding, it's not really work. I mean, maybe depends on your job. No, but it's kind of a weird skirt. The skirt is by Vince Camuto and it's now $59. I don't know, it's kind of an interesting, like I'm not sure where I'd wear it. And at first I was like, oh, I don't like it. But then, you know, I was walking down my hallway to come out here and I kind of felt a little sassy in it. I don't know though. I should wear it. Let me untuck this for a second. And there's a lot here. And I don't think it's, you know, maybe it's a little too big now that I untuck it and I'm feeling it. Maybe it's a bit too big. It's a large, but it's pretty bulky. It would definitely have to be tucked or get a smaller size. It's not too low. Maybe that's just how it's supposed to be. Let me go try on the next outfit. I gotta hurry. There's a lot of clothes in these trunks. Okay, here's the next outfit. And this outfit is by Boden and it's $55. And you know I love stripes. You know they were looking at my Pinterest board and they saw a million stripes. So they did good. It's navy and white, which I love. I'm not a big Ruffle fan, but see, this is why I don't take things off, because I saw it and I was like, no, Ruffles. But it's totally cute on, just like that ruffle on the skirt. And I would have never tried it on in the store, but I felt like kind of hot mama in it. And the ruffles on the sleeves are really fun. And around here, it's really a fun shirt. And I don't have that many kind of long sleeve cotton shirts that are casual but cute and fun. So that is a lovely surprise. It's soft. I think it looks great. Okay, these jeans. You know, I've been battling with finding jeans and these fit like a glove. I don't know why Nordstrom clothes never has pockets. Like most other places even kind of pretend to have pockets, they don't. And look at how like the butt curves down. They're kind of high-waisted. I thought, are these like legit mom jeans? They're skinnies. They're super, super dark wash. There is no like fade to them at all or distressing, but they're pretty cute and they're stretchy and they're comfortable. They're Wit and Wisdom and they're $68. Like, I thought that was a good price for jeans. I get Stitch Fix and every pair of pants is $88. It's like, how can every pair of pants be $88? Like, that doesn't make sense to me at all, because that's just not how it works. But these are pretty great. Okay, let me know what you think on these ones. They're kind of fun. Yeah, let me know if you think they look good. And the shirt too with the little ruffles. Let me know what you think. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna be kind of brave here for a second. So this shirt is by Leith. And this is the kind of thing that I feel like, well, I thought that Trunk Club would send, is a shirt that splits down the middle and shows off a belly of a 42-year-old woman who's had 2 kids and her tummy's like an accordion. Are you kidding me? Like, okay, I could put like a cami underneath, but is that what's supposed to be? Like, what? I'm not sure this. I don't even know what to do with all this right here. Makes the ladies look good. I like polka dots. I love blue. The puffy sleeves aren't really my style. The ruffle, the belly, I don't know what's happening here. I don't know. Okay, and the pants, they're these maroon pants, a really good price. They're $8.22 denim, and they're $45. And I thought, oh good, that's way cheaper than Stitch Fix. I'll try these maroon pants. And when I said the last denim fits like a glove, I meant it fit my body perfect. These don't fit like a glove, they fit like a sausage casing. They're tight, okay? But they're not too big. They're not tight like in the waist, they're not, you know, but they, I think, are meant to be like this. And they have a raw or no hem. I just keep getting distracted by this. But they're not bad pants, especially for 45 bucks. Like, that's a deal. And they got a lot of stretch, but ooh, it's all packed in here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I don't know. Tell me what you think about the pants. The shirt was heading in the right direction, but it veered off down towards the bottom. All right, I will be back with my next outfit. Okay, here's the last thing. This is a Prima double-breasted jacket. It's $89. I've been really wanting a wool camel trench. It's kind of seems like it's in style. So I tried to put this on with my thin sweater I had on, and it wouldn't, my arms wouldn't go in. It was too snug here. It's that material that you put on, some pants are made with this material. It's instantly kind of scratchy, and I don't know what it is because it just feels like cotton. It feels really poor quality, thin, wrinkly, and I kind of feel like the thing about trenches is really they should be belted or else they're not particularly flattering. And maybe it's not meant to be a trench, it's meant to be a double-breasted jacket, but I'm not sure this is doing anything for me. It was close, like it was, you know, I was kind of looking for something like this, but it's not waterproof, it's not warm, it's not wool. I don't think they got it on this one. It was a good try. I'll look at the tag at what the fabric is and let you know, because it just kind of feels terrible on your skin. So let me go put my sweater on and let's look at some prices and make some decisions. Okay, let's look at prices. Some tough decisions here. This is the Halogen Windowpane knit skirt, and it's $59, and I think that's cute. I don't know if I'll wear it that much, but that doesn't necessarily mean I shouldn't get it. I do have business trips from time to time, and it's really cute, and I think it fits really well. Tell me what you think. Is it worth $59? This whole outfit was adorable. The oversized Madewell men's shirt. This is $72. Spendy, but so soft and something that potentially I would have forever. Could wear with jeans. I have a million, because I am addicted, I have a million blazers, cardigans that would go great with it. So, but is it worth $72? Tell me I should look somewhere else if not. But that was really cute with the skirt as well. The blazer, you know, I'm not a pink wearer, but wow, this surprised me. This is the Notch Collar Cotton Blend Blazer, $98. $98 spendy, but if you felt this, even though it's cotton, it feels heavy and high quality, and the lining is nice. It's by Gibson, and even though it's pink, I thought it looked really great with a lot of the stuff I had, and I could see myself wearing this a lot. Oh my gosh, this whole outfit was tough. I think it looked really good on, but tell me if you think differently. This double-breasted jacket, it is 100% cotton. Why does it feel like this? Why does it hurt me? I don't think it was quite right anyways. Let's look and see. Yeah, $89 by Prima. It just was, it was all wrong. It's not even lined. For $89, it's not even lined. I mean, you get jackets at Target that are lined for cheaper than that. So it's a no for me on this one. Okay, here's the Vince Camuto polka dot skirt, and it was on sale. how much? I said $59, I think. And it's got this ruffle. And again, I'm not sure where I'd wear it, but I felt good in it. Does that make sense? Is it worth $59? I could maybe find some places to wear it, but it's not typically me. That one I'll have to think about. I felt good in it, like super sassy. Okay, the lace and crepe shirt by Halogen. I don't know about you guys, but I think it was too big. Now that I look back, it's like, wow, there was a lot of fabric there. And it's $59. Okay, that first outfit with the skirt and this outfit were probably my favorite. This is really soft fabric. This is called the olive jersey top, navy and white. It's $55. Like, I don't know if you can beat that. It's pretty fun. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but that was really cute on, I thought, and casual fun. And then the jeans are the Absolution high-rise skinny jeans in indigo, and they're $68, and they were great. They have like an elastic band. That's probably why I love them so much. They're old lady jeans. They're like all elasticy at the top. It's all right. Old ladies value comfort, okay? So these were pretty cute jeans. I think they were 68 for sure. Okay, God, this is expensive. Okay, last but not least. Okay, this is a no. I'm not about to be having my belly. Nobody needs to be seeing all that. That's a no, I don't even care. Now here's a question about these pants. It was all in there. But they're so cheap. Ugh, I love a bargain. They were only $45. Do I get them? They're tight. $45, and why not? It's like a steal. Like I got money to throw around. But that's a pretty good price. I might get them just because they're 45. Ugh, I'm gonna have to do some math for sure. This has been really fun. It was not what I expected, and a little bit what I expected. I think there were some things that were not styled well. I thought they were overpriced for the quality, but then again, I could see where they tried to style it to what I like, in my particular style, and there were some really great pieces in there that were adventurous for me and surprised me. So that's what I'm looking for, is new stuff that I don't just go, when I see it on the rack. I put it on and I get surprised and I find something amazing. So please like this video. Also, I have a referral code down in the description, and give Trunk Club a try. It's just fun to try on all these clothes. So I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.